How to create this aura and chrome nail. So you're going to start off with a black nail that you've painted with a matte polish and you've fully cured. Then I'm going in with the chrome. This one's from Hayley Winder and it's absolutely gorgeous. It normally creates like a glazed kind of pearl effect, but what I've done is I've popped it on a sponge here and you'll see I'm just popping it in the middle and then gently blending out. So I've got like a border around the outside. Then I'll dust off any excess and then I go in with the matte top coat again. Now, it's important that you're not using a really good matte top coat because you probably will get glitter in it, so maybe have a spare one. Then I go in with some pigment and the same brush again, and I'm just patting that over. What that lightness behind it has done, it's created a real good base for the neon and it really helps it pop. Once I go in, then I go in with a little brush and just dust it off and just blend it out and just have a bit of a play with it, see when you're happy. Once you're happy with it, you'll go in with your top coat again and cure again. Now this one's just your normal glossy top coat and give that a full cure. Then I go in with, this one's a mirror chrome from Hona Beauty. There's loads of places doing them now. Pro Impressions have got one and they're really, really good. It's a non-white one as well. So basically then I'm just going to literally draw on the curvy lines in the chrome. I'll give that a full cure and then I'll cleanse it because I always like to, because apparently there's still a bit of an inhibition layer on the top. And then you're done. I hope that helps, but if you do have any questions, please let us know and do like and follow for more. Thanks for watching. Bye now.